Today I am going to the Beeld Geluid Museum with my family. Sound and Vision Museum. It's a media museum, so you can see a lot of things and participate in a lot of things, so this is gonna be fun. Wel schappelijke en nou, terug naar jou in de studio. I've seen this is a pretty cool museum, even though my family expected more old things that you could see. It's more like media with selling and deep fakes and things that you think you can send out as news, but it's nonsense, it's not even real. So that's pretty cool. You can also make your own stories, your own news. I did sports with my mom.